All right, so now the question is, when is NASDAQ turning back? Which next level can we look for? Can we expect a turning back to the upside down, to the upside, to the upside? So now we're going to use an order block. So we're going to look at our chart like this, and we're going to identify an area where in the chart where we can put our order block. So from the higher time frame, looking at this analysis, let's go down to the weekly chart a little bit. We can see that our order block will nicely be seated here, which is at 7534. That's where I can comfortably say we are expecting at least a 10 to the upside, a 10, like a major push to the upside from that point, right? So from now, let's let's focus on this analysis. We know that we are still continuing going down. So our direction, our trend direction is downtrend, is down. So now adjusting this line here, even though it doesn't play much significance at this moment. So now we can see that we have higher highs and higher lows, right? So let's change our chart right there. So now we can see that from here, if we draw a trend line like this, it suits. Let me adjust it a little bit so that it fits our chart. So this is another way of confirming if you're having a downtrend or an uptrend. So now we can see that we have a certain direction there. We have a certain trend direction there, right? We have a certain trend direction there. First touch, second touch, and of course, third touch. So now with that and we can also see that from here, from this point to here, we also had a trend again, right? From that point to from this point to here, let me change it so that you can see. From this point, let me try to change it. Now from this point to this point, we had a trend direction too. It doesn't have to be in linear with this other one. What matters is also a downtrend, right? So now looking into that, let's get rid of this quick. So now looking into that, if we're still on the daily chart, we can see that from here, let's change the chart. From this point, we had a support level, right? We had a support level, and at the start of the year, the support level of it's from 20. It started on the 1 December, and it was retested on the 20 December 2021. Now it has been broken down here on January 10th. So we can see that it's break and retest, right? Let me try to indicate it like this. It's break into it again, break and retest, then finally going down. I hope it's clear. So now we can see that again, I try to move back up, which means it went up, created a double top, and broke the resistance here and retested, I mean the support here, and made a resistance retesting the support, which is here, right? Break and retest. And if you can look again, we have what? We have another break and retest here. I hope it makes sense. So this is how the market went, right? Double top, double top. Sorry, let me try to be clear. Double top, right? Break, retest, break, retest, right? And again, it breaks and retest, and then it creates a double bottom and it pushes up. And on its way up, remember, on its way up, we have a certain trend here. We have a certain trend here. You can see that we have a certain trend here. So it means the trend was also broken, which makes it which gives us more confirmation to the upside down. So you know that the moment, you know that the moment it breaks this point here, it's a trend. So it was confirming that it's going up to the upside. So it was confirming it's up direction, upward direction for that moment. So now it had to come and line up with this, with the previous diagonal resistance, right? And then it's from there it went down again with break and retest. If you can look again, you will see that it always breaks and retest, breaks and retest. So now let's get rid of these lines and go to the 4-hour chart and see how it moves. Wait, I'll actually make another video for the 4-hour chart, because just to keep it short.